Hi, my name is Frederick Brand Anthony, and this is TrackMe, a smart habit tracking SaaS web app I built for the Shortcut Asia Internship Challenge. As you can see on the landing page, TrackMe is more than just a checklist app. It combines daily habit tracking, sleep analysis, gym workout, and AI-powered insights. Okay, so now below the hero, you can see there's a social proof stats showing user count, average habit success rate, and habits completed. This builds trust before the user even signs up. Now, as you can see, the feature section highlights the 6 core capabilities: smart reminders, AI analytics, strict system, habit stacking, AI codes, and progress charts. Each one is designed to answer the question, why TrackMe over a basic to-do app? Now let's move on to the dashboard mockup. This section shows a preview of the actual dashboard so users know exactly what they're getting into before signing up. It shows the habit cards, strike counters, and completion stats. The onboarding flow is simplified into 3 steps. First, create your account. Second one is add your habits. The last one is track and grow. No complicated setup and no learning curve. Now, let's see the testimonials. Social proof through user reviews. 3 testimonials showing real use case from different type of users. This builds credibility and relatability for new users. Now, here comes to the pricing section. The pricing section is transparent. Free trial for 7 days without no credit card required. Pro monthly at 14 ringgit 90 cents and pro yearly at 129 ringgit, which saves 28%. Users can make an informed decision before committing. Now, here comes to the FAQ section. The FAQ sections addresses common objections before they become reasons not to sign up. Questions like whether it's really free, how AI coaching works, and whether they can cancel anytime. And the final call to action at the bottom reinforces the message. Okay, now let me show you the actual app experience. I just click the start free trial. Maybe I just click my name is Brian. And I use the example email. Maybe I just click a shortlist, shortcutasia.gmail.com. And the password, just write in the password. Okay, now just click create the account. Okay, so after signing up, I land on the dashboard page, which gives me a real-time overview of my habit progress for today. Now I'm going to show you how to create the habit. Let me add my first habit. I click add habit, give it a name. Maybe I just click the morning run here. And I just select the exercise category. It's exercise. Then choose which specific days. I'll pick Monday, Wednesday, and Sunday because today is Sunday. I set the time to 7 a.m. and enable the browser reminder so I get notified at that time. Just click the create habit. As you can see, there's habit created appears on my dashboard immediately. Now, I'm going to show you how I mark it. Now, I'll just mark it as done by clicking the green check mark. And as you can see, the progress bar at the top updates to show 1 out of 1 habits completed today. And what if I just create a new habit? Here I just put maybe cycling, exercise, and the time is Monday, Wednesday, Sunday. And the time is, maybe I just put 7 p.m. And I just click create habit. As you can see, there's a habit created notification up above. And as you can see also, there's 1 per 2 habits done today in progress bar. And if I check the green mark here, now you can see there's habit log notification above, and there's 2 out of 2 habits done today in progress bar. Same goes in the habits page also. You can see the habit cards. I can also doing edits and delete for my habit cards. So I just click the edit bar icon, and I just want to change the schedule time around 8 a.m. and just click save changes. It shows habit updated in above, and as you can see here, the time of my morning run is changed to 8 a.m. Now let's go to the sleep tracking. One thing that makes TrackMe unique is sleep tracking. I can log my bedtime and wake time, rate my sleep quality, and the app calculates a sleep performance score out of 100. Now, let me show you how. Maybe I just want my bedtime is around 11 p.m. and my wake up maybe 8. So you can see here, there's 9 hours in bed, my sleep time. And I just put the 3-star, my sleep quality, and maybe I just put a note here. Maybe I had a nightmare. No, that's a bad idea. My head hurts after I wake up. Okay, and I just click the save sleep log, and as you can see, there's a sleep log notification and above, and there is the chart shows how much is my sleep quality. So as you can see here, it's 15% for hours versus my sleep goal, 30% for consistency compared to my 7-day average, and 20% for my quality rating. The bar chart below shows my last 7 nights, so I can spot patterns over time. Now let's move on to the gym planner. As you can see here, TrackMe also has a full gym workout planner. I can create workout plans like push day or pull day. Okay, let me show you. I just click the create first plan here. And maybe I just name it maybe push day. And set the maybe master group is chest, and I just click the exercise name is bench press. And as you can see here, I can set how many sets or how many reps I want to do, and the weight also. I just put the 45 kilogram here, and the rest time is 90 seconds. Oops, sorry. And that's all. I just click the save plan. And you can see plan created. Now we can click the start workout here. As you can see here, there's 3 sets I already created before. And if I just check the green mark, a timer for my rest, a time for my rest, and what if I just check 3 of them? As you can see here, 1 per 1 exercise completed. I just click finish workout and it's done. It goes to my workout history as a PR for my push day, for my bench press, and you can see also in the field workout history, and that's all. Also, there will be information of how many exercises you've been doing for this week, streaks, the volume lifted, and the PR. Now the progress page. The progress page shows my weekly completion chart and 30-day completion rate per habit. So I can see which habit I'm consistent with and which one need attention. I also built an AI Insights feature that uses the Claude API to analyze habit patterns and generate personalized recommendation daily. However, this feature currently requires active Anthropic API credits to generate insights. But it's fully built and integrated. The infrastructure is there, but it just needs a paid API key to run. This is something I would active immediately if I given access to API credits or if this moves forward. Now let's move on to the subscription flow. Let's see here, my account only has 6 days of free trial left and it will end next week. Now, let's upgrade to the Pro and choose the monthly subscription. And we just fill with random number of the cards. I just fill 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and random name. And here we go. We just need to wait until the payment is complete. And here we go. We will go to the new page where it will show that our payment has been successful. And right now, just go to the dashboard and we can see it now in our account that the proactive account will be updated until June 17 next month. That's all for the subscription flow. Alright, so let's move on to the technical decisions here. From the framework, I use Next.js with the app router because it lets me build the front end and pick an API in a single code base. So let's open this part. Habits and root, yes, yeah. Let's see here. Here's the example. This is one of 18 API routes, all living inside the same Next.js project. No separate backend server needed. Second one is local time zone data handling. One important decision was how to handle data correctly for users in different time zones. Now I'm gonna show you how. Instead of using JavaScript new data.toIsoString, which returns to UTC time, I made sure all date calculations use the user's local data string. This means a habit logged at 11:59 p.m. in Malaysia is always saved as that day, not accidentally rolled over to the next UTC day. It's a small detail, but it prevents a lot of streak-breaking bugs for users outside UTC time zone. Now is the third layer trial log. The 7th trial log is enforced at 3 layers. Now let me open proxy.ts. The layer 1 is here. The middleware checks the trial status before the page even renders and redirects expired users. The middleware checks trial status before the page even renders. If trial expired and not active, it redirects to our upgrade immediately. Layer 2, or the second layer, is API routes. Now let's back check to the API file, the habits, this one. Layer 2, each API route independently returns 403 if the subscription has expired. Even if someone bypasses the UI, the API blocks them. The third layer, or the final layer, is client UI. Now let me open the app, upgrade page .xx, and the layer 3 is here. The upgrade model on the client side. 3 independent layers means no single point of failure. The last point is Stripe webhook bug. The hardest bug I fixed was Stripe webhooks returning a 307 redirect. Let me open this one first. Stripe server was being treated as an authenticated. Okay. This is the Stripe webhook handler. It receives payment events from Stripe and updated the database. The bug was that this endpoint was never being reached at all. Now switch to the proxy.ts. Here's the fix for this early exit in middleware. Before this existed, Stripe server was hitting the outcheck, had no session cookie, and getting redirected to /login with a 037. Stripe treated that as a failure and kept retrying. The fix was simply returning nextResponse.next for all /API/routes before any out logic runs. The comment even documents exactly why, so the next developer doesn't remove it thinking it's unnecessary. So that's all. TrackMe is live at trackme/orpin.versal.app and the full source code is available on GitHub. Thank you for watching my presentation.